What's up guys, welcome back with me Sunny Compare, and today I have another comparison video for you guys between two pairs of Nike Kobe 5 Protro Undefeated 30 dozens. So let's check it out. As you guys can see on the first sample, it's very clear. On the marking area, the line on the upper material isn't straight with the midsole. Should be like the authentic one here, it's straight like this. On the fake one, the line here is slightly to the right. Also on the back here, the stitches is a little bit longer on the fake one compared to the authentic one here. The stitches on the authentic one is placed directly in the middle, whereas on the fake one is a little bit longer. And also another one, as you guys can see, the stitches here on the marking area is slightly to the left. It touches the Nike shoes, whereas on the authentic one, it has a little bit gap between the stitches and the Nike shoes. And also this one, the stitches here on the back slightly go down, it touches the midsole, where it's on the authentic one is directly placed right in the middle. Take a closer look. As you guys can see, there is no gap between the eyelets and the tip of the Nike shoes on the fake one. Compared to the authentic one here, there is a little bit gap. And another one also still same, there is no gap here between the stitches and the Nike shoes, and also between the eyelets and the Nike shoes. Here also, the stitches here slightly go down, and also the line here on the upper material is not straight like the authentic one here, isn't straight with the midsole, slightly to the left, should be like the authentic one here. Another one also, this one is slightly to the left, the line on the upper material here isn't straight with the midsole like the authentic one here. Moving to the inside part of the shoes, as you guys can see, stitches here isn't placed right in the middle. This one is slightly to the left. This one, the line here isn't straight with the midsole. And also this one on the marking area here, the stitches is slightly to the right. It touched the tip of the Nike shoes. Another one also still same, the stitches touch the tip of the Nike shoes. And also this one, the line here isn't straight with the midsole line like the authentic one here, should be connect. Another one also still same, this one is very clear, it's messed up. Here also, take a closer look here. The stitches on the fake one is slightly go down and also isn't straight. The line here isn't straight with the midsole. Again, there is a white glue stain. Compared to the authentic one here, the stitches is directly placed right in the middle. Moving to the back of the shoes, as you guys can see on the heel, the gap between the upper heel and the ankle protection is too close on the fake one compared to the authentic one here. And also you can see on the right shoes, the tip of the Nike shoes is too close with the ankle protection compared to the authentic one here. There is a lot of gap. Take a closer look here. So the line here is misplaced, slightly to the left, isn't straight with the dots here on the ankle protection. It should be centered like this. This one also on the left shoes, slightly to the left. This one, the tip of the Nike shoes on the fake one is too close with the ankle protection, whereas on the authentic one here it has a little bit gap. Take a closer look here. As you guys can see, the material pattern here is very different. This one is a little bit slanted, and the shape here it just square like this, whereas on the authentic one is a little bit rounded. And also the tip of the Nike shoes here, it's too close with the ankle protection. Take a closer look again. You can see on the marking area, too close here. Here also, the line on the middle here isn't centered with the dots here on the ankle protection. Moving to the outsole here, as you guys can see, the color of the outsole is messed up. It's looking terrible. On the authentic one, the shape of the Kobe logo here is very sharp. Again, another one, the color still same, is messed up here. Here, the Kobe logo here on the authentic one is very sharp. It's very thin. Alright guys, that's my explanation. I will get it. And if you have any question or request, feel free to DM me on my Instagram, or you can leave in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel because it does help this channel grow. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next video.